Okay, 190 guys. Here we have some beautifully reproduced CAD plated 190, late 190 Sunvisor frames. We direct import these from Germany as with the chrome replacement chrome, brand new. Often Sunvisors are missing in the 190s. These are very nicely made, all of this, as you would expect, anything from Germany to be. Exact reproduction of the original, as I said, often missing from cars, or sometimes these are there but not these, and so anyway we're able to supply these as brand new Sunvisors. Obviously you've seen our services to rebuild the Sunvisor, so if you have your old, but if you're missing them, we can use this, we need this, and the rest we have. Obviously all the soft padding, the glass, that's all part of what we do here. If this is your missing link, look no further. We can help you here at Heritage with brand new late style 190 Sunvisors.